Hello, my name is Sarah Waldner, and I'm the product manager for the health group within the monitor stage. I'm going to be talking about the initiatives that the health group is going to work on in milestone 12.8. So to start off, over the holidays, GitLab's community gift to the public was to move the 3 pillars of observability to core. So this encompasses metrics, logging, tracing, as well as our alerting functionality. So in 12.8, the health group is going to be supporting this initiative and moving all of our alerting functionality from the ultimate pricing tier into our core pricing tier. So when this issue is completed and we release that, alerting will be available for all pricing tiers. This was really important to GitLab for a few reasons. Making observability available to all customers as part of our stewardship model. Observability belongs in core because it's not just the enterprise companies that are concerned about maintaining and making their services available and reliable. This is important for companies of all sizes, no matter the service they provide. And additionally, as we mature monitoring throughout the next months and years, we really want your feedback on it. So this issue is for moving alerting, part of that observability package, to core. The next few initiatives that we'll be working on are to wrap up our work on error tracking. At the end of 12.8, error tracking will be at the viable maturity level. So the last few pieces of work that we have to do with the error list and then some cleanup objectives around what the error detail page looks like. So this particular issue is adding the ability to further filter the error list by statuses ignored, resolved, and unresolved. So in 12.7, we added the ability to take action on these errors, specifically the ability to ignore or resolve these errors. This was really important because errors are difficult to sort through. Manual triage takes a lot of time, and so being able to remove those from your view, if either they don't need any action or you fix the problem and it's been resolved, so that you can solely focus on the ones that are important. So this is going to look like how you filter by other labels or milestones. You'll type in status and then select the status that you want to show for that error list. The next part of the error tracking project is adding colors to indicate error severity levels. So when you look in Sentry and you're looking at an error list, they've got different color indicators that tell you if it's critical, if it's warning, if it's just for information. We want to copy those colors into GitLab so that your experience transitioning from the Sentry interface into the GitLab interface is much more streamlined and you have more context to what you're looking at. Again, this is to help with visualization when you're manually triaging those error lists. The next one is a small improvement on the error tracking detail page. So right now we are linking all errors to an associated GitLab issue if one has been created for that error. Right now we're displaying it in its raw URL, and we want to convert that to using GitLab flavored markdown format so that the UI within the error detail page is consistent with the rest of GitLab. All right, the next 2 issues have to do with embedding metrics within GitLab issues and or incidents. So in a few milestones ago, the health team added the ability to embed metric charts in issues for help triaging incidents and getting a better idea of the problem and what happened the time the incident was triggered. This is all manual at this point. With the release of this issue, we will be automatically embedding metric visualizations charts for metrics where an alert has been triggered to remove the manual piece of that workflow. This will help the responder be able to focus first most on investigation versus trying to change context, search for that visualization, and then add it back to the issue to share findings. And the final large focus of this milestone is going to be the ability to remove those charts from the issue. So unfurled images can often get in the way of reading or consuming other information that someone needs in an issue. And we want to provide them an easy way to remove those if they've already consumed the information or if it's not showing anything useful. I'm really excited for the stuff that we're shipping in 12.8 for error tracking and incident management. And that is it.